I don't know if you can see it or not. You can see the mist from the lake freezing the minute it touches the air, or the minute the air hits it. Looks like snow or little tornadoes or something out there. As soon as the water, that's amazing. I don't know what that is. I don't know what's happening, but there it is. And Sissy, she's got to go potty and she better hurry up or her feet will freeze. Pretty wicked out there. That's Lake Erie for you.